people? This is your girl Emily again, doing another reaction video. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Let's get it. Remember, subscribe to my page and follow me on Instagram if you're too cute, and follow me on Snapchat, Little Mama 2017. So let's jump into the video.
You know, sometimes, Grandpa, I wish we could just play catch.
No time for catch. Cracking this case will put Johnson.
This is some retarded ass shit.
I'm gonna need my 2 star pupils there.
We're his star pupils.
We're gonna have to prove it. Follow me here.
Well, that was a little weird, but anyway, jump into my Instagram. Tell me what you wanna DM me, what you want me to react to next, or whatever. Baby too cute. Snapchat, Little Mama 2017. Please subscribe.